Ayuda-ayuda ang tindi mag-support ng dumbbell at solids. Walang iwanan sa pamilyang ito. Napakalakas, pero papalakasin pa. Iba ka, Donnie Pangilinan. Sikat na sikat. You have inspired so many people with this advocacy tour. 5 provinces and different areas in the Philippines all successfully done with your hard work and determination at kitang-kita naman. Sobra ang pagtanggap ng tao sa iyo.